The Joint Action Committee Against Casino from Rebhoy District has asked the state government to issue a notification about repealing Meghalaya Gaming Act. The statement came from JAC following the assurance of Taxation Minister that the MDA government will repeal the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2021. Speaking to the media persons at Nongpo, Secretary of Joint Action Committee Against Casino, Ferdinand Karkamni, said that if the government wants to scrap the act, they should do it in black and white by issuing notification to the general public. He further said that a signature campaign will be organized in every part of Rebhoy to seek support for opposing casino and for repealing the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2021.
Kene borok kanang simi tang hapo video kene kejikran kaba danglong tang hapo jong karmi yang sentur dari ke Joint Action Committee Against Casino kanap tak adu bah kana yo he dak jingtho lane katakan notification bala penduk pendam ya kene ka Gaming Act apo koi bat hadin kata nak liang jong ka Joint Action Committee kan sai khoblei kerpang ya ka sarkar kamtam yo Chief Minister bot Taxation Minister lemba jong ka Joint Action Committee Against Casino.
A legal